Another 91 Fleer. A couple packs left, so let's keep our fingers crossed that we get another Jordan. Oh, Larry Bird, exactly who I was looking for. That's awesome. Okay. Good to see him on top. Put him over there. Tall fellow. We got a Willie Burton, Jeff Hornick, Aaron Gillum, John Battle, Joe Demers, a Larry Smith, a David Robinson photo of some sort. It's pretty nice. We have a Rod Strickland, Coach Don Nelson, Jerome Kersley, Morris Cheeks, John Stockton, good player, and a Coach Dick Mata. Well, of these, obviously, I am most excited for my Larry Bird card. That's one that I was waiting out for. These two were very nice as well. But yeah, I finally got a bird. You know what? Let me go ahead and put this guy into a penny sleeve and then a top loader. Okay, there is Mr. Bird. I like it. All right, 2 more packs. Let's see what we get next.